Hello students, now we are going to read about some different types of elements there. Here you can see about the periodic table there. Periodic table consisted of different types of elements are there. Here these first group 1A, 2A, then here what is the third 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. These are all called as representative elements. This first group, second group, then 13, then 14, 15, 16 or 17. These are all called as representative elements. Then next to this one there, this 18 group or 0 group will be termed as inert elements. These all inert elements, which are this one there: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and osmium. Here hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, and this boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, titanium. These are all which one there? These are all representative element. Only the 18th one is called as inert element or the noble gases there. Since their outermost octet is completed, they are called as inert element. Here the representative elements, their outermost shell, only the last shell is incompleted. So they are called as representative elements. In between you can see these elements which are belonging to which group they are: group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7, group 8, group 9, group 10, 11 and 12. These are all which one there? Transition elements there. Transition elements refers to the elements which have their properties are like that, means they have what we can say, last shell and the second last shell both are what? Incomplete. They are the tendency to show variable properties, variable valencies also there, and they are generally electropositive in nature there. They are forming covalent compounds as well as what we can say, ionic compound also there. And these transition elements, they are found in so many in numbers there. So these are all transition elements. And then last line in this one, they belonging to which group there? They belonging to third group. Here you can see the third group. Here lanthanoids are there, 57 to 71 and 89 to 103. These are the lanthanoids which are from 57 to 71 and 89 to 103 actinoids. So these are called as inert transition elements. Inert transition elements, they are also having some different properties there. They are having the last shell, second last shell as well as the third last shell. All three shells are incomplete, and they are also called as F block element. These transition are also called as D block element, and these are having the first group. Now these are the elements that we don't have to study, go through much more there, but we have to study. Then we just in this year we are going to read about which one they are? Only about the representative elements. Representative elements, this first group, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, this all together are called as alkali metals. Their valencies also, all of them are having valency 1 since they are of the first group there. So these are called as alkali metals. Second group elements are called as alkaline earth metals there. So they are having almost valency 2. Here 13 group elements, they boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, these are all called as belonging to which family they are? Boron family, and their valencies are 3. Here next is the carbon family: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. These are all which one they are? Carbon family. Then next is nitrogen, phosphorus, astatines, then this one, then bismuth. These are all which one they are? This belongs to nitrogen family. Then oxygen family similarly, then fluorine family. So these are the elements of the different groups. These, when we are moving up to down in a periodic table, what you are seeing there, they are called as groups. When you are moving across the period like this, they are called as periods. What they are called as periods. So in the first period, are you able to see this one? They are having two elements, hydrogen and helium. In the second period, you can see about second and third period, they consisted of 8 elements. In the fourth and fifth period, you have seen how many there? This one 18 elements, and the sixth period and seventh period are still incomplete there. Sorry, seventh period are still complete, and the sixth is having 32 elements over there. So this is all about the periodic table. Okay, thank you.